What's up guys, Kevin here, and you're with the Modern Creatures. Welcome to a special video because this time we're unboxing Huawei's MatePad as well as its accompanying accessories. But once again, if you enjoy our content, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as we upload videos like this one regularly. And with that out of the way, let's begin the unboxing. Alright, as I said, this is going to be a special unboxing because we have not just the device right here, we have accessories that go along with it. And of course, we have the MatePad right here, we have the MatePad Folio cover, we have the M Pencil right here, and we have the charger, of course, for the M Pencil. So let's begin, and let's start with the smallest first. So first is the M Pencil charger, and we'll just rip it open. Here we go. So as you can see, it's just a USB-C. So it's pretty obvious that it's a magnetic charger, and this part sticks to the pen. Okay, next is the M Pencil. Just get this. Okay, first we have a replacement nib for the pen. We have some warranty card, booklet. Okay, this goes here. And we have the pen itself right here. This is the M Pen. And now we get the folio cover. So it should stand like so if you have the tablet here. And now let's go to the MatePad itself. So as you can see, it says there 10.4 inches. So that's the size of the display. And we can load apps through App Gallery. Okay, so I guess it's ready for the moment we've all been waiting for. And there we go. Pull this tab right here. This is the device itself. It's really thin. Let's first check what's in the box before we go to the device itself. So over here we have the charger. And then we have SIM ejector tool. And inside we have more warranty card and more booklet. We have this thing, which is a 3.5mm audio jack to USB-C. And lastly, we have the USB-C cable. Okay, so I think that's it for the package. Yep, there's no more in here. We're just gonna quickly put everything back, or never mind. Okay, now onto the device. Pull this out of its plastic. Nice. First impressions, it's really light and it's really thin. Okay, this is the Midnight Gray variant. And it has 64 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's powered by EMUI, of course, since it's Huawei. Okay, so let's try now to put it in its cover. Okay, perfect fit. Looks good, sleek, and slim. And now let's check out the rest of the specs of the Huawei MatePad itself. And on top of those, the MatePad comes with Huawei Petal search widget that gives you access to the search engine to help you find and download apps and games. We've already downloaded a couple of apps through it, and we'll update you more about our experience in our full review. And that was our Huawei MatePad unboxing and review. Now, if you have any questions about it, just let us know in the comments below and we'll get to them for the full review. And that wraps up our video. Once again, please visit our website and follow our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. That's it for me. I'm Kevin. You're with the Modern Creatures. Thanks for watching.